Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 11th of November 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the crisis is increasing at LM Wind Power, which is now facing another big round of layoffs of up to 60% of the Danish staff. In a letter held by the engineer, the Danish wind turbine giant's management announces 2/3 of the Danish employees. The market for blades is simply not as it used to be. Customers have canceled orders or moved volume to internal factories. Customers will not pay prices that allow, quote, operating a sustainable and profitable business. A delegation from the National Development Agency in Libya conducted an official visit to the People's Republic of China upon an official invitation. It was in line with its efforts to implement the objectives of Libya Vision 2030. This aims to support sustainable development and diversify the national economy. The visit aims to enhance international cooperation and attract investment and expertise to contribute to the implementation of major development projects. On November 11th, the Jiangsu Provincial Development and Reform Commission issued a notice on relevant matters concerning the competitive bidding for mechanism-based electricity prices. The new bidding ceiling for offshore wind power projects is 0.391 renminbi per kilowatt-hour. And the bidding floor is 0.3 renminbi per kilowatt-hour. The total capacity of the auction mechanism is 13 billion kilowatt-hours, of which 1 billion is allocated to offshore wind power projects and the remaining 12 billion to other wind power and photovoltaic projects. For the past 18 days, Vietnam's national power grid has shown a stark imbalance in the dispatch of different power sources. Electricity generation from thermal power plants reached more than 6.6 terawatt-hours, accounting for 43.3% of total system output. With an installed capacity of 39.746 gigawatts, the average dispatch rate was 38.43%. Wind power contributed only 582.9 gigawatt-hours to the grid, equivalent to just 3.83% of the total. Despite having a total installed capacity of 7.1 gigawatts, the average capacity utilization rate for wind power was just 19%. Singapore-based total mooring solutions provider Mooreast Holdings said on Tuesday it will begin feasibility studies this month for the development of up to 500 megawatts of floating renewable energy projects in Timor-Leste. The studies will assess offshore sites suitable for floating wind, solar, hydroelectric, tidal, current, and wave projects. Under the agreement, Mooreast will have 12 months of exclusivity to conduct the studies and propose commercial and financing models before a project development agreement is signed. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.